Good day, class. Today's class will be interesting because we'll be solving more problems on ratio, rate, and proportion. And we have solved series of problems on ratio, rate, and proportion. But today we want to continue with exam questions, model questions, JAM, GCE, WAEC, NECO. Feel free to watch to the end. The video you'll be seeing before this solution is not by accident, it's deliberate. You want to invest or you want to buy a land, you want to buy a property that is ready made, you just want to park in and live inside, you can contact me and I will direct you to the owner. You don't need hassle, and the property is hassle free, government laws free, the documents are available. Feel free to contact me. Let's get started. We have a bricklayer charges 1,500 naira per day for himself and 500 naira per day for his assistant. Before you solve problems like this, anytime you see per day, it means that day is dividing the amount. So always look for ways to cancel the days, the denominator. We have, if a 2-bedroom flat was built for 95,000 naira and the bricklayer worked 10 days more than his assistant, how much did the assistant receive? Normally, we don't know the total number of days they work, but we are told that the bricklayer worked 10 days more than his assistant. So we say solution. Let the total number of days be x. So if x is the total number of days, that means the assistant will work for s days. So s times 500. The bricklayer will work for s plus 10. So work 10 days more than his assistant. S plus 10 days. That means times 1,500. So once we establish that relationship, the addition of the 500x and the addition of 1,500 into bracket s plus 10 will give us 95,000 naira. So that's what I'm about to do now. So I'm equating them. 1,500 into bracket x plus 10 plus 500 times x equals to 95,000. So when we open the bracket very well, we have 1,500x plus 1,500 with 0 plus 500x equals to 95,000. So if you do this very well, 1,500x plus 500x, so that will give you 2,000x equals to, when we subtract 95,000 from 15,000, that is 70,000. So we have 95 minus 15. Let's do that. 95 minus 15. 95,000 minus 15,000. So that will give you, 80,000. So when we divide both sides by x, divide both sides by 2,000, our x will be, let's divide by, it will be divided by 2,000. So that will give you 40 days. That means that the total number of days they worked is 40. We said, how much did the assistant receive? We just multiply the 40 days times 500. So that will give you times 500. So the total answer will be 20,000. So this one will be 20,000. So our option C. Hope you have gained something in this video. Let this information go viral. Let us share it to as many friends, parents, and well-wishers. See you in my next video. Bye.